Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hi, I want to buy jeans.
What size do you wear?
I wear size 32.
Let me check that size.
Do you have blue jeans?
Yes, we have blue jeans.
Can I try them on?
Yes, the trial room is there.
This jeans feel very tight.
Would you like bigger size?
Yes, one size up please.
Here is size 34.
These fit much better now.
Great! That color suits you.
How much are these jeans?
They are $50 only.
Do you have black jeans?
Yes, we have black ones.
Show me the black jeans.
Here are some black jeans.
These look nice and simple.
Yes, they are bestsellers too.
Can I try black jeans?
Sure, please use that room.
These jeans fit me well.
Would you like to buy?
Yes, I will take this pair.
Anything else you need today?
I want a new shirt.
What color do you prefer?
I like white or blue.
Here are some good options.
This white shirt looks good.
That's a very popular one.
Can I check the size?
It's size large. Try it.
This shirt is too loose.
Let me get medium size.
This one feels perfect.
Yes, medium size fits you.
How much is this shirt?
It costs $25 only.
Do you have formal shirts?
Yes, right there on shelf.
I need one for office.
Try this light blue one.
This one looks very smart.
It's perfect for workwear too.
Is this shirt pure cotton?
Yes, it's 100%.
I will buy this shirt.
Great choice. Anything else needed?
Do you have casual t-shirts?
Yes, many styles are available.
Show me a medium size.
Try this plain gray one.
I like the fabric feel.
It's soft and breathable cotton.
How much is this t-shirt?
That one is $15.
Do you sell jackets here?
Yes, jackets are over there.
I need a warm jacket.
Try this thick black one.
This jacket is too big.
I'll get a smaller size.
This size feels just right.
It suits you very well.
Is it waterproof or not?
Yes, it is fully waterproof.
I want a hooded jacket.
This one has a nice hood.
How much is this jacket?
It's $65 today.
Is there any discount available?
Yes, 10% off today.
That sounds like a deal.
Would you like to buy?
Yes, I'll take this one.
I will pack it right now.
Do you sell trousers too?
Yes, all trousers are here.
I need black office trousers.
Try this slim fit one.
The fit is really good.
That's one of our best sellers.
Do you sell belts here?
Yes, belts are near counter.
I want a black belt.
Here is a leather one.
Is it real leather or fake?
It's real leather, very durable.
Okay, I'll take this belt.
Would you like matching shoes?
No, I already have shoes.
All right. Anything else today?
Do you sell socks too?
Yes, here are some pairs.
I'll take these black socks.
Good choice. They're cotton rich.
How many pairs are included?
This pack has 3 pairs.
Great. I will take one pack.
I will add it for you.
Do you take online orders?
Yes, we deliver nationwide too.
Is there cash on delivery?
Yes, that's also an available option.
Can you alter these trousers?
Yes, we offer alteration service.
How much for the alteration?
It costs $5 only.
Please shorten the leg length.
I'll have it done tomorrow.
Can I pick it tomorrow?
Yes, after 2 p.m. pickup.
Please write that on bill.
I'll note the pickup time.
How long is your warranty?
We offer 15-day warranty.
What does warranty cover exactly?
Manufacturing defects and stitching issues.
Do you give carry bags?
Yes, here's your carry bag.
Can I get a bigger one?
Here's a larger size bag.
Do you open on Sundays?
Yes, we're open all week.
What is the total cost?
The total is $200.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payments are accepted.
I'll use my credit card.
Please enter your PIN here.
Payment done. Please print receipt.
Here's your bill and receipt.
Will I get birthday offers?
Yes, we send special discounts.
That's very nice, thank you.
You're most welcome, sir.
Do you have gift boxes?
Yes, we offer gift packing.
Please gift wrap this white shirt.
Sure, I'll pack it nicely.
How much is the gift wrap?
Gift wrapping is completely free.
That's great, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
Can I return items later?
Yes, within 7 days only.
Do I need the receipt?
Yes, please keep the receipt.
Thanks for all the help.
Always happy to assist you.
I will come again next week.
Looking forward to your visit.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You are always welcome here.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.